Hello, I'm Tom Watts with Tech Republic on-site at Scale Computing, Platform 2026. I'm joined now by Gerald, Gimenez and Matt Ridi, S&G Convenience Stores, a Scale Computing customer. Welcome, gentlemen.
Thank you.
So Matt, can you tell us a little bit more about your IT environment before implementing Scale Computing and what challenges or goals led you to evaluate new infrastructure solutions?
Originally, it was more traditional environment and infrastructure, and it was like every store has a different implementation and different infrastructure, which has made it harder to troubleshoot, find issues, and take time to resolve it. And we didn't have much visibility to what's happening in our locations. So with Scale Computing, we had like bigger visibility to all our locations, having simplified, a standardized environment, which is make a big difference to what we had before.
What were the key factors that made Scale Computing stand out when you were evaluating different providers, and what ultimately led you to choose their platform?
For sure, it was standardization and simplification. As I said, having a more standardized environment for all the stores having the same implementation, it makes you a lot quicker to identify risks and issues in network perspective and improve the uptime, of course, where in our business, the uptime is the way you make money. So having the stores always up and running is an important thing for sure.
Yeah, absolutely. And Gerald, how has the Scale Computing's platform affected your overall business? And can you point to any specific examples for us?
I would say that it's definitely affected us with the uptime. Our uptime has improved dramatically. I think the best thing that has actually happened has been the ability to troubleshoot from a remote standpoint, to know what actual asset I need to send out to actually fix a problem that might be in a location. It might be an IT issue. It might be a different type of issue that since we are in the convenience store business and we do have fuel dispensers and equipment like that, I might need to send out a fuel tech. I might need to send out an IT personnel. So in that sense, I can actually drill down on the problem a whole lot more effectively than we were before because we had no visibility.
I mean, it sounds like the partnership's having a real impact for you guys, quite a tangible one already. So if we think about like as your business continues to grow and expand, how does working with Scale Computing position you for the future?
It seems like with the dashboard and we all have the visibility and the ability to gather data that we didn't have before, we can actually start moving that into different implementations that we want to move forward with some different ideas and everything. And we can go back to Scale Computing and say, now we have a standardization. Let's go ahead and we want to put this into every store and every location that we have. We can put it in there pretty seamlessly because we already have that standardization. We can say, hey, we're going to do this, just to implement it across the store. And we can move forward with that and with whatever initiative we might be moving forward in the future.
Great, so only good things ahead, hopefully.
Yeah, I hope so.
Well, thanks guys so much for joining us today. It's been an absolute pleasure finding out a little bit more about your journey with Scale Computing. I've been Tom Watts. If you want to find out more about Platform 2026, please visit techrepublic.com.